What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at this product by Harris. They're a company out of Ohio. The product is for soldering stainless steel. I'm using it for jewelry. The solder over here is 3/64 of an inch. It's made up of 96% tin and 4% silver. This here is a liquid flux. There's two ingredients in it. One is hydrochloric or some kind of acid which cleans the surface, but it all comes together in that. I got it off Amazon for like $13.99. They do sell a 1 pound spool of this in 1/16 of an inch. It's the same ingredient as I just mentioned. This stuff you only use a drop, and a drop goes a long way on jewelry. So before I forget, make sure you use a soldering tip that you kind of don't care about, because the acid flux is very corrosive. Alright, so here's another little item that comes in handy when you're gonna do jump rings or any thing that you need a third hand for. Harbor Freight, I think it was $7.99. Got it mounted here in the vise, and little alligator clip, and you can see that jump ring. Hopefully you could see it. Let me move this out of the way, get some contrast. You can see it's not soldered. Other important thing is this: some 1000 grit wet sandpaper. You want to clean the joint all the way around, over here, and then you want to spread that jump ring apart and do the face of it and get it as close as you can. Now, for the people that are out there saying you need a torch, no you don't. This is what I got over here. It's the soldering station, and that is a 25-watt Weller soldering iron, and that is more than enough to heat that up, heat the solder up, and we'll show you after I get this cleaned up. Alright, so we got everything cleaned up. Now all you do is take your flux and just put a little dab just like that. Come over here with your soldering iron. Just a little dab of solder. A little too much solder on that. Leave it on there and it'll flow. And that's it. That's your joint. The other important part is, as soon as you do that, take a damp rag and wipe it off. Take it over. You can see how nice and shiny that is. And take it over, wash whatever you're working with some mild soap and water. I did want to show you guys, I made this jump ring. It's a custom jump ring out of stainless steel. And the solder you just saw, this charm came with a very little one. This is a 14 mil Miami Cuban link. And, I'm not paying a jeweler to do that. So if you look at that, I actually soldered it with the iron, with that solder and flux. Soldered this chain to that jump ring, and there was a split right here, and just polished it all out. So it does do heavier material just with a soldering gun, and I don't know if I can get any closer to show you.